Hi, this is Accutek Car Audio Visual in Winchester. This is a video of a KENWOOD DMX8021 installed into a Porsche 981 Cayman. If I pop the ignition on now, you'll see we've also done a little upgrade. There we are. So it comes on with the Porsche logo. This unit has got Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, digital radio, FM. It's also got several camera inputs as well, one for a dash cam as well as a reverse camera. If I go on to there, there's your digital radio. This has also got a USB retention built into it, so the original USB still maintains, and it uses the original DAB and FM antenna. If you'd like to have this fitted into your 981, please give us a call on 01962 886 900. Thanks for watching.